welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you how I make resin coasters. You've probably seen these on Pinterest. That's where I saw them. To make these, you're going to need some resin. This is epoxy resin. I got a set on Amazon. It comes with, there's an A, the resin, and then B, the hardener that you mix together. It's really easy, equal parts. Get this. The other thing you're going to need is some molds of what you're making. So you're making coasters. So I have all these different shapes, some with holes in the center, and I have a square one too. This is also on Amazon. If you want your coasters to have color, you're going to need some dye. You can also use acrylic paint to color your resin, so you only need to add a little bit of paint, a couple drops to color the resin. I also got some gold leaf, rose gold leaf type thing to add. You can see here that this has some of that. Next, let's talk about safety. So you're going to want gloves. I just have these plastic gloves. And you're going to want a mask. You're also going to want some cups and some plastic silverware or a popsicle stick to stir your resin. And I also bought some gold paint so that I can paint the edges.
There is a golden picture frame hanging upon empty wall, haunting the hollow of my brain, painting pictures while we run underneath the dying light. My braided hair comes all undone, chasing the sun into the night. Beautiful and burning, we are wild and wonderful, full of wonder. We are wild and wonderful, full of wonder. You see me through the filtered lens, fading the edges of my flaws, reminder of my innocence before it got lost so deep in the forest of our youth. We carved our names upon a tree, inside a heart that spoke the truth. I still hear it beat. We are wild and wonderful, full of wonder. We are wild and wonderful, full of wonder. Messages from long ago on transistor radio.
She said her favorite color, yeah. She said her favorite color, yellow. It looked good on her dress, trying to be slim, thick, nothing less. But she's falling in and out of love, her heart was broken. Wonder if your summertime crushes even notice it burns in July. And it felt like a dream, but a dream is the best kind of lie, yeah. I realized when I woke, I just want you, yeah, yeah. I just want you, yeah, yeah. Should've told her you made a move, yeah, yeah, yeah. Think back, it was me and you drive through the city, yeah. No makeup, still pretty, yeah. Cruising, hey, you got the stereo on. Hair up, looking like a million. Limos got you in your feelings, yeah. Messed up, y'all not get it, yeah. Is that none of my business? She said, come on, you should be leaving to California. Yeah, you got a point. I probably should've warned you, but now I think I'm staying. Tell me, what was it you're saying? She said her favorite color yellow, and it looked good on her dress. Tryna be slim, thick, nothing less. But she's falling in and out of love, her heart was broken. Do summertime crushes even notice? A little bit too kind, she a little bit too emotional. Cry, cry your heart out, let me know what's going on. I'll make you feel mellow. You just gotta let go, we'll build it up like Lego. Say you want it 100, I'ma keep it on 100. So you want it 100, I'm keeping it 100. Ooh, I know you could do this on your own. Girl, you got it, yeah, you got it. You done did it all alone, but I know some nights get heavy. Put it on me, I'm ready. Whatever it is, I carry, I got it. I said her favorite color yellow, and it look good on her dress. Whether slim, thick or not, you're still pretty nonetheless. Don't go falling, though your heart is broken. Summertime crushes never noticed. A little bit too kind, little bit too emotional. Cry your heart out, let me know what's going on. I'll make you feel mellow. When you see it, tell it.